Hi, I'm Meali Mohammed. I'm a project coordinator of Vanga Blue Forest CBO, a community blue carbon initiative located along the Kenyan coast. What inspired me to work in this space is as I was growing up, I grew near the ocean. I was passionate about seeing people working around the ocean. So I used to tell myself that I want to work in this field as long as it's anything that will deal with the ocean. What I love the most is how these ecosystems work, how they intersect, especially the ocean, the mangrove, the seagrass, and the corals. So each of these ecosystems depend on each other to survive. The community do have an important role because this ecosystem actually do surround them. This ecosystem actually also provide livelihoods for them, so they have a big role to play, especially in protecting and in conserving them. I'm very excited because I'll actually be part of various conversations that are going to take part at our ocean conference, and I'm very excited about this opportunity because I'm going to network, meet various people, and also exposed to various platforms. I've actually not been in a part of our panelists, so this will be my first time being in a panelist, and I'm actually excited about that. I get involved so much with the community because this is actually part of my work. I'm in charge of implementing and also coordinating various projects or various programs that are in the community. So you'll find that we hold sensitization activities, we hold community barazas that I have to pass various information from, let's say, various stakeholders to the community. I'm also a diver, an open water diver with more than 260 dives, and the longest that I've dived is 120 minutes. So most of the time when I dive, I do coral restoration work or also research about seagrass conservation, and other ecosystem. There are a lot of opportunity in the marine field, especially in diving, other field like mangrove conservation, seagrass, coral restoration. So whoever is watching me, you also have an opportunity in this field. It's just a matter of patience and working hard and working smart.